Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. I am going to go ahead and get you your Oshun weekly healing message. And remember, this usually has to do with feminine energy, embracing feminine energy. This is to do with Oshun, the goddess of fertility, creativity, things of that nature. I'm in a stairwell. I always find crazy places to film. So let's see what messages are in store for us this week. A lot of you guys are coming up here now on finding your kingdom. A lot of you guys may feel lost and wondering, things of that nature, but you could be stumbling upon a situation or a relationship that helps you out coming up here. This could be a sugar baby, sugar daddy relationship, honestly, for some of you guys looking for that. This could be a mutually beneficial relationship where either this person provides you housing of some sort, a place to stay, a car, the whole 9 yards. So this seems like a really good situation that could benefit you. Some of you guys, this is good for you to go to school, start your own clothing line, your own business, things of that nature. And it's coming up really soon here. But yeah, keep an eye out. A lot of you guys are getting some really good news here shortly. Keep away from negative people. So if you get negative vibes from people, like, just listen to yourself. Like today, I always feel people that are, I can feel energy that when people aren't genuine or when they have a motive behind them. So now I just stay away. I don't even try to be nice anymore. I more so just go with the vibe. Remember, you are always an alchemist, so you can turn negative energy into positive energy and energy that works for you. Keep to yourself, some of you guys. Let's see. So a lot of you guys have been working pretty hard, and a lot of you guys, you may be getting a time where you can actually take a break, and a much needed break. So this could be a vacation, a trip overseas, a cruise, something of that sort. Someone could be wanting to surprise you as far as taking you out to dinner or on a fancy cruise, something for you to get away. So yeah. My guys keep saying enjoy. They've been saying enjoy like all day, every day, so I guess something good is gonna come. This card here is dope. It's like Jesus with a third eye. But no, this is like an all-seeing card. So some of you guys are leveling up here spiritually, mentally, and physically. Some of you guys, this is a sign of good health. So if you've been worrying about good health or like recovering from something, an illness or a virus of some sort, you could be restoring your full potential or full health as we speak. This one is this card in reverse though. I mean, some of you guys need to hit the book. So some of you guys who are in business, you might want to research how to progress your business, things of that nature. Go to school, keeps coming up often, so don't put it on the back burner even more. Some of you guys will be going back to school in November. Grand opportunity is there, so just wait. You'll be hearing good news either by phone, email, or all the above. Some of you guys, I keep feeling like a celebrity wants to reach out to you, to be honest. I don't know. But you could be getting tickets to a concert. J. Cole is coming up. To be honest, you could be winning some tickets, or someone could be just wanting to gift you. Different things of that nature. Amber Rose is also coming up. So I don't know. You guys, keep your eyes peeled. But yeah, last card here is you are the alchemist. So that is the message of today, is just remember that you're the alchemist and you control your reality. And no one can harm you, my guys are saying. So just do you, be yourself unapologetically.